Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a bicycle and you need to replace brake pads, disc brake pads. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. These are a little bit more high performance brakes, but many brakes will use that design, actually two different designs. We'll explain about each one of those. So all that will be covered in this video today. We'll explain how you can do it step by step, where you can buy cheap parts from, tools, and that can guys save you quite a bit of money. Another thing, if you don't know about us, let me tell you quick, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools, brake pads, anything for a good price and quick shipping guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below to see where you can get them from. There could be two different kinds of brake pads. Okay, we'll be replacing those right here, right now. Those are, let me show you now, 1 second. This is guys with an Allen wrench that holds the brake pads. You can have another design, okay? The other design is with a pin. We're talking about these ones right here that are cheaper brakes. If you have the pin right here, you just need to straighten that thing, then you pull it out. It's the same like removing the bolt. It's recommended to use a new pin every time as well. Now, if you have the one with the bolts, it's even easier guys. Why? Okay, because all we need to do is get an Allen wrench that size. Okay, do not press the brake when you're doing that. Go ahead, get it loose. Okay. And then you pull the bolt out. What you have next, you get the brake pads. Both of them usually come at the same time. Sometimes you might be able to pull one. It really depends, because they have a spring. That's the spring, that's the pads guys. Check this thing out, okay? Those are the pads, that's the spring, that is right there. Okay, so now how do you guys, okay, install the new pads? There could be the one that are have more of a cooler, one that don't. It really depends on which design you pick. Those are the organic that are for lower speed and not so crazy downhills and things like that. But it's for my dad, so he doesn't go too crazy on these machines. So we're going to go ahead, make sure the spring is between the two pieces. Okay, inspect your disc roller. If you need a new one, replace it. Okay, let me see now what we have here. See if we can get in. It looks like I'm hitting somewhere. Let me just see where. Okay, on the brake caliper, on the piston. Perfect. It went in. And now I'm going to go ahead, grab the pin, adjust them, go through the thing. Get the bolt tight now. It will take some seating. There is a video guys on the internet, really good video, how to seat new brake pads on bicycle. Okay, it will teach you about that. And make sure that you press the brake a couple times. Okay, make sure it feels good to the touch, and you're practically guys ready to go. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.